This is Lee, licensed acupuncturist and herbalist. Today, I'd like to show you some points that we can use to strengthen the immune function, improve your digestion, and also relax and reduce the stress. So when people go through difficult time and immune function is compromised, and that can cause inflammation, cancer, autoimmune disease, and allergies. To prevent those problems, when the stress level goes up, we need to needle those points once a week, twice a week, but also we can press those points as an acupressure point. Those points helping strengthen the digestive function so you can produce more antibody and lower the cortisol level, so your immune function gets strengthened. So I am going to show you 6 points which helping you strengthen the digestive system and immune function, and also clear up inflammation, also helping your sleep better. When you sleep deeper, your immune function gets stronger. So the first point we're going to show you is the large intestine 11. So you see this red needles here, and when you bend your elbow like this, and there is the elbow line here, it's a elbow crease line, and at the end of this crease, this red needles, and that's the large intestine 11, which we use that to clear up the heat inside of the body so we can reduce the inflammation. So you can press this point every day to helping you reduce the inflammation. Then the next point is when you bend the thumb, and then you will see 2 tendons here, and in the middle of the 2 tendons on the wrist line, so you draw the wrist line, and then between 2 tendons, you will see this point. You will see an indentation here between the 2 tendons, and then in the middle is this another large intestine points, which helping you improve the digestion. Also, it helps the wrist pain. So you draw a line between this wrist point and this elbow point. You draw a line, and you divide it half, and then on the upper half you will divide it into another 3 parts, and one of the 3 parts just 2 inches below this elbow line, and that will be the other large intestine point called large intestine 10. So 11 and 2 inches or 3 finger down on this line, it will be large intestine 10, which is a very good point to relax this muscle, open up large intestine channel, and strengthen the immune function. So when you press here, it's very sore, and I use that to treat like tendinitis, and also to strengthen your immune function in order to prevent cancer, allergies, and autoimmune. Now, we're going to go down to the other digestive points, and that's on the stomach line. So you will see this is the kneecap, and on the lateral side of the kneecap, there is a little indentation here, and I marked as this red needles, and that's called external knee eye. So when you put your 2 fingers here, you can feel this little indentation here, and this is one stomach the point is called the stomach 35, and this we use that to help in the knee pain, and that's the landmark. When you start from the stomach 35 and going down 4 fingers down, and then 1 thumb outside this tibial bone, you see the highest point of the tibial bone, and one thumb lateral of this tibial bone, and also on the line jaw below the stomach 35, the kneecap, the knee eye, and you get this point. That's called the stomach 36. And this point, people did a lot of research about how this point can help the body produce more antibodies, and also it strengthens digestion. So if you have acid reflux, you couldn't digest things well, or your stomach move very slow, we use this point. So you see the digestion and immune function just linked together. We have to have a good digestion in order to have stronger immune function. And the next point, we use also helping the digestion, but also help to calm down the sympathetic nerves so you can sleep deeper. So if you go to the ankle area and you find the inside, the tip of the ankle bone, so this is called the medial malleolus, and on the top of the from the top of the medial malleolus going up 4 fingers, and then just behind the bone you find this point. It's called the spleen 6. This is a master point for digestion, for sleep, for just generally balance your nervous system. So when you use this to regularly press this point, so find the ankle, medial side ankle bone, and 4 fingers up just behind the tibial bone, and then you can press here, or we can needle here. So those points you can do the acupressure or doing regular acupuncture once, twice a week or every other week to make your immune function in a good condition so that you can fight cancer or prevent cancer. So if you want to get more information about how to strengthen the digestive function, reduce the inflammation, you can go to www.bostonchineseacupuncture.org, and you can watch our YouTube video. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points to help you figure out what's the best point to prevent cancer, autoimmune disease, and other illness.